In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display name in Zoom, whether you're preparing for a meeting ahead of time or find yourself needing to update your name during a meeting. This can be really useful if you want to present yourself more professionally, need to include a designation, or simply need your colleagues to recognize you by the correct name. Let's start by walking through the steps to change your display name before you even join a meeting. First, open your preferred web browser and sign in to the Zoom web portal. It's important to use your main Zoom account to ensure the changes reflect across all your devices where Zoom is installed. Once logged in, head over to your profile page by finding Profile in the navigation menu. As you scan this section, you'll see your current display name prominently shown. Next to your name, look for the Edit option. A simple click on Edit will allow you to personalize your display name. You can type in your preferred display name, and while you're at it, you might want to update your first and last names as well, especially if they've changed or you'd like them presented differently. Satisfied with your new inputs? Click Save. This ensures that your new display name is stored and will be the default name displayed when you join your next Zoom meeting. It's really that easy, and you've taken a proactive step to ensure your Zoom identity is exactly how you want it to be, long before entering a meeting space. Now let's navigate changing your display name during an ongoing Zoom meeting. Sometimes, you might join a meeting and realize that your display name isn't quite right. Thankfully, Zoom provides a quick way to update it, provided the meeting host has enabled the option for participants to rename themselves. To change your name live during a meeting, cast your eyes to the bottom of the meeting screen and click on Participants in the toolbar. This opens up the Participants panel, where all meeting attendees are listed. Locate your own name in the list of participants, and you'll notice an option labeled More next to it. This will appear as 3 small dots, often referred to as an ellipsis. Click on More, and you should see an option to rename. Once you select Rename, a prompt allows you to type your new desired display name. After you've entered the name that suits your meeting contribution best, go ahead and click Change, or OK, depending on which button your interface shows. And just like that, your updated display name becomes visible to other participants in the meeting. Hopefully, these easy-to-follow steps help you set the right impression, whether before stepping into a digital room or while you're already in one. Keep these tips in mind for all your future Zoom interactions. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.